This old Canadian dollar looks worn out, scratched, and barely worth a second glance, but the right one could be worth hundreds, or even thousands, of dollars to the right collector. Every year, rare coins are discovered in pocket change, old coffee cans, forgotten drawers, and family collections. 1988 was a memorable one in Canadian history, and it also became an important year for coin collectors. Canada celebrated major national milestones, welcomed millions of visitors during the Winter Olympics in Calgary, and continued producing some of the world's most beautifully designed coins. Today, many collectors search through old coin jars and family collections looking for 1988 Canadian coins because certain examples can be surprisingly valuable, especially if they remain in excellent condition or contain unusual minting varieties. In 1988, Canada was enjoying a period of economic growth and national pride. The country had just hosted the Winter Olympic Games in Calgary, bringing international attention to Canada. Throughout that year, the Royal Canadian Mint continued its reputation for producing high-quality coins with detailed artwork and advanced minting technology. Millions of coins entered circulation, passing from one Canadian to another through everyday purchases. One of the most recognized Canadian coins from 1988 was the $1 coin, commonly known as the Loonie dollar. Introduced only a year earlier in 1987, the coin featured the famous loon floating peacefully on a lake. Canadians quickly adopted the nickname Loonie, and it soon became one of the country's most recognizable symbols. The reverse design was created by wildlife artist Robert Ralph Carmichael, while the obverse featured the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II by Arnold Machin. The Loonie dollar replaced the $1 banknote because coins lasted much longer in circulation. Although producing a coin cost more initially, it saved the government millions of dollars over time because coins could remain in use for decades. The 11-sided shape also made it easy to recognize by touch, helping people identify it quickly without even looking. Most 1988 Canadian $1 coins are common and worth only face value if they are heavily circulated. However, collectors are always searching for examples that have remained bright, clean, and nearly untouched. Coins graded in mint state condition can sell for much higher prices than ordinary circulated pieces. Some proof and specimen versions produced especially for collectors are even more desirable because of their mirror-like finish and limited production. Collectors also examine every 1988 coin carefully for unusual errors. A coin with an off-center strike, a double strike, a clipped edge, or another genuine mint error can attract significant interest. These mistakes happen during production and are far rarer than normal coins. Even a coin that looks scratched or dirty may deserve a closer look before being spent. Condition plays one of the biggest roles in determining value. Two coins made in the same year can have dramatically different prices depending on how well they have been preserved. A coin with sharp details, original luster, and very few marks is usually much more desirable than one that has spent decades in circulation. Many valuable coins are discovered in unexpected places. Some are found in inherited collections, old piggy banks, dresser drawers, garage sales, or forgotten boxes stored in attics. People often overlook older Canadian coins because they appear ordinary, yet collectors know that age, rarity, condition, and demand can transform an everyday coin into a collectible worth much more than its face value. If you own a 1988 Canadian coin, take a few moments to inspect it carefully. Look at the date, check both sides under good lighting, and avoid cleaning it. Cleaning may seem like a good idea, but it usually reduces a coin's value because collectors prefer original surfaces. If you think you have an unusual example, consider having it evaluated by an experienced coin dealer or professional grading service. Coin collecting is more than searching for money. Every coin tells a story about the nation that issued it. A 1988 Canadian coin reminds us of an exciting period in Canada's history, from the Calgary Olympics to the growing popularity of the Loonie. It represents the craftsmanship of the Royal Canadian Mint and the everyday lives of millions of Canadians who used these coins for shopping, travel, and daily life. Goodbye, guys.